The EZC extension identifies an EZ-compress compressed archive file containing data compressed by the EZ-compress utility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract or convert these compressed archive files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective EZC file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. EZC files are compressed archives created by EZ-compress, a file compression utility that reduces file sizes for storage and transfer. They package one or more files using proprietary compression algorithms for efficient data, archival, and distribution. EZC files use a proprietary compression format with a file index header followed by compressed data blocks. The format supports directory structure preservation and optional compression level settings for balancing speed and compression ratio. The EZC format operates under the official standard set by EZ-compress from Night Owl Computer Service. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows lacks full compatibility with many archive types, so external utilities are needed to open them. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your EZC file and choose Open with. Test EZ-compress first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. If your EZC file isn't cooperating, don't worry. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, extracting files. Install EZ-compress and open the EZC file to browse its contents. Select files to extract and choose an output directory. Click Extract to decompress the archived files to their original format and directory structure on your local file system. Next, alternative extraction. If EZ-compress is unavailable, try opening the EZC file with universal archive tools like 7-zip or WinRAR, which may recognize the format. If these tools cannot read the file, search for EZ-compress from the original software source for your operating system. Finally, converting to zip. Extract the EZC archive contents to a temporary directory, then recompress using a standard zip archiver for universal compatibility. This creates an archive that any modern operating system can extract without specialized software installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.